Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. It's not really a good morning. I'm on the verge of tears. I have to go to Picket. I have like 3 days to get my booth done because then I'm going to be gone for another all-city sale. And the sale is next week. So Victoria wakes up. She hasn't graduated. Oh my God. It's because her sinuses run down the back of her throat and she doesn't want to do anything to take care of that problem. And I said, the fires and all that stuff, it's irritating me too, and my lungs and all that good stuff. But blow your nose. No, she won't blow her nose. It's like pathological. It's so stupid. But then I said, you have to watch the dog while I go to Picket. I know. Okay. Come sit out on the couch so you can watch the dog while I go to Picket. Okay. I literally went in my she shop looking for one thing. And there were tears by the time I came out. And the dog's being mean to me. She literally jumped on me and grabbed my arm and then she tried to bite my head. And I'm like, tell her no. Tell her no. Don't cower and act like a friggin' victim, because she's gonna treat you like your prey. I'm so overwhelmed. I feel like, can I just have a friggin' break? I have to train my entire family. Okay, I need to go to Picket, get this crap out of my car so I can go do an all-city sale. And my garage wouldn't close. There was nothing in front of the sensor. Had to have been like a spider or something messing with me for about 10 minutes because I didn't move anything and then suddenly it closed. They heard about their friends that got killed yesterday. Victoria killed more spiders for me. If you wouldn't come in the house, you wouldn't die. All right, we're here. Oh, we just got the air popped on because it's brutally hot in here. I'm gonna get this sofa table in. It's gonna go here. This has to go out on the porch this month because it's already too long in here. So that's gotta go outside, and I hate it. I hate it that it's going outside. It's the price. I put it at $149. I think that's a good price for that desk. And I know people here are just too cheap to buy it. So that's a peril of working here, is the clientele is super cheap. There's a lot to do. Let's see. Okay, I'm leaving Picket. I got my booth kind of done. Now I know what I need to do. I'll be back tomorrow. Which is really funny is that I was not prepared to do this at all. But I just happened to have 2 tables in the back of my car. That worked out. Now I gotta like bring pieces in and sort out the small situation. Which, to be honest, I could do that on Tuesday when I go do the tour. And Friday I'm supposed to do the porch space, but I can't because I won't be home. So I'll end up coming back early and doing my porch space. It's probably Sunday. Probably come home Saturday. I'm exhausted, you guys. I feel like carp. You guys can translate that one if you want. I don't feel like doing my job. I don't feel like doing I feel discouraged. Part of it is discouragement. Figured out why Etsy's not moving. Read an article yesterday. I'm always reading. read an article yesterday about the changes that Google made to their web core stuff is what affected Etsy's search rankings, and showing up that it's down across the board for everyone because of the changes Google made. So Etsy is at the mercy of Google the same way we're at the mercy of Google when you're operating your own business. So part of me thinks I might have to leave Etsy and start my own shop, my own online store. And then part of me puckers at the thought of doing it. So last night I was doing some research on WooCommerce and what I would need to do to actually set up my own store. And frankly, that was making me nauseous and discouraged and frustrated. And I think it's got to happen. And I think I'm going to try live selling, which will be new for me. Oh, I had posted the thing about, do you guys want me to do a live YouTube thing? And like everybody seemed to want to talk about Ask Me Anything and not watching me paint, which I didn't think you guys would want to watch me paint, but so I'm going to do it. Now we got to figure out a date and time that's going to work for everybody, and it's probably going to be like 7 or 8 p.m. Central so that we can hit both coasts and be at a normal time for all of us to be off of work and all that good stuff. Or I could do a weekend, but I mean, I don't care. I'm working every weekend anyway, but how do you guys feel? So if you comment down below and let me know your thoughts on when you'd like to see the live happen, I will schedule it and let everybody know and promote it so that I don't sit there talking to myself. My biggest fear is that I'm going to do this live and nobody's going to show up. But the sales, same thing. You guys always show up, so I don't know why I'm feeling that way, but it's like that lizard part of your brain that goes, I am unworthy. No one likes you. It's not real. No one likes you. That's the part of my brain that starts to win when I have to make these changes and like doing a WooCommerce store, my own website. That part of my brain is starting to go, you can't do this. You don't know how. You need Etsy or eBay or somebody to handle this for you. And then there's the other part of my brain that goes, shut up. I'm going to do what I want anyway. So one of them will win. I know who I've got my money on. But the other part of my brain right now is like pouting. I gotta stop talking now. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now and why I probably was so grouchy this morning, because that's what I was ruminating on all night last night before I went to bed was, I think I have to start my own store. If Etsy can't fix this, and it's seriously like, okay, take a $500 a month pay cut and tell me how you feel about it. That's where I'm at. So, I mean, awesome that Picket was great last month, and that really helped pick up the slack, but Etsy needs to stop being the slack, you know, or they need to go away, because right now they're taking my money. They're renewing my listing. So if they can't figure out their issue, I need to figure out what I'm going to do, right? So it's sort of like being at the front of the pandemic again and going, okay, I need to figure out what I'm going to do. So Google's change has made it super important for me to, you know, at any point, any of these platforms can go away, right? So I'm learning the hard way that I put too many eggs in this basket. So I had done a listing on eBay. Haven't gotten even a peep out of that or even a question about it. But I don't think I want to switch to eBay either. I think I need to do my own store. I need to just do it and move, because I'm not paying fees then beyond like the hosting, the credit card charges, all that stuff. I need to figure it out, and unfortunately there's nobody here to tell me what to do. I gotta do things on my own, and yeah, it's called being a boss. So I'm bossing up, guys. bossing up and it makes me grouchy sometimes. But I'll show you pictures of Pickett and then I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Chicken shirts, thank you to everyone who has reached out and got that. Thanks for the buying me coffee. That's also available. Thank you. Really, honestly, it supports me. It supports this channel, and I'm really, really grateful. So I don't even know how to thank you enough, you guys. And I realize that you guys are like, hey, you're giving us content, and that's awesome. I will continue to give you content, and hopefully the content that you want. And like I said, see, that's that voice thing again. Like I said, if you want to talk about something specific, or you want to know what time or day, or you want to do a Saturday or Sunday, whatever, put in the comments below. Let me know what works out best, and we will go with the option that works best for everyone, including me. So we'll try and work with you guys, and I will record the session. Well, yeah, because I'm thinking about doing Zoom and not YouTube. And I'll tell you why. I think all of us are used to asking questions on Zoom and knowing how to interact on Zoom together. And then I can see you. And YouTube is not that way. You guys would then just text me a question, and I can't see you. So I would like to see your faces. So I'm thinking of doing a Zoom call, actually. And if I do make that choice, I will set up a page where you can go in and register to be part of the Zoom call. I'm going to have to cap it at probably 25. It's going to be hard to get much more than that in there. So I will probably do a Zoom call, and then I'll record it, and we'll put it up here on YouTube. So let me know if you want in on that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.